Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is another video. Guys, here is where I just created another thing that I felt like it might be crazy or something. I want to hear from you guys. So I tried this, wanted to see if it is going to work. Here's the reason why. This car was always destroying new tables. We tried to rebuild and sending them to qualified mechanics or whatever guys who are specializing on rebuilding tables, whatever it is. So it doesn't sit for much longer that destroy another one. So I just decided and say, man, I invested enough buying new tables, and this way I'm saying enough is enough. This thing is no longer going to save me anymore. So I'm going to do this on my own. As you can see here, I'm trying to block this hole that shoots hot air to the turbocharger turbine. So by using this inner race, I think I was lucky enough to find something that fits into that hole perfectly, like it was made perfectly fit from the factory. So I used this 4mm bar here to create something that is going to compress that inner race into that hole. So the tools that I used and the machines are this plasma cutter, cut 40 in order to make some shapes and pierce in some holes, and small angle grinders to able to cut some stuff that needed, and the nut at the center of those two holes that I just cut on that flat bar, and I welded those two 8mm nuts that are going to help me to tighten down this flat bar in order to hold that bearing inner race that I've blocked underneath to work as my air stopper. So this thing worked real well for me. So without putting more pressure or talking much, just watch the video, guys. Tell me down on the comment section below what you think about this creation. Is it crazy or something? But I will keep updating you if this thing failed me in future. But I felt like after filming the video, I tested the car and this thing worked for me. That's the main reason I brought this video to you guys in order to watch. All right. So this paste here played a big role to help me to successfully achieve this thing, because it creates a good sealant underneath the inner race and all around that hole after installing my air stopper inner race. So try this one, guys. I know it might be coming in different brands and different types, but it is all over the world in different ways. So this way, go for it.
At least 8 minutes something. Bisa jam rawanya. Sometimes talking to film aside. Bisa jam rawanya. Amaran lah. Mana? Amaran. Pas mana style sih? Kau kemana aja South Africa? Kau kemana yang karena? Kau sta TikTok kau. Mau sih dia kamu kau tuh?
Okay guys, here is how the engine sounds like after blocking the pipe, and I will keep upgrading you of how the car behaves after driving it for a couple of days. Keep watching, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.